Hi, I'm Kurt. I have years of DIY experience, and today I'm going to show you how to install your SANUS Fixed Position mount in 3 easy steps. First things first, you only want to do this once, right? Ensure you have everything you need and be sure to follow the manual. If you have questions, call or chat with our US-based install experts. They're ready to help 7 days a week. To install your SANUS mount, you'll need the following tools: an electric drill, a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, a level, a pencil, a drill bit, a stud finder, and a hammer. Here's everything that comes in your SANUS box: installation manual, wall plate template, hardware packs, wall plate, and the TV brackets. Step 1. Attach the TV brackets to your TV. To get started with the first step, choose bolts that fit your TV. And don't be overwhelmed, you won't use all the hardware included. We just want to be sure you have all the hardware you could possibly need. If your TV doesn't have a flat back or you need extra space to accommodate cables, you'll want to use the provided spacers. Place the spacer between your television and the TV brackets and then insert the screw using a screwdriver. If your TV has a flat back, attach the TV brackets to your TV, align the bracket over the holes on the back of your TV, and thread the appropriate length screw through the TV brackets into your TV. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the screw until it's snug, but be sure not to over-tighten so you don't cause damage to your TV. Repeat this step for the remaining TV holes. Now that step 1 is complete, we're moving on to step 2, attaching the wall plate to the wall. For optimal viewing from a seated position, you'll want the center of your TV to be approximately 42 inches from the floor. For help finding the right height to mount your TV, visit the SANUS Height Finder tool. Simply enter the height of where you want your TV on the wall, and Height Finder will tell you exactly where to drill your holes, helping remove any guesswork from the installation process and saving you time. Now that you know how high you want your TV, let's find your wall studs. Use a stud finder to find the location of your studs. Generally, most wall studs are either 16 or 24 inches apart. Next, grab the SANUS wall plate template. Place the template on the wall so the openings on the template overlap with your stud markings. Next, use your level to make sure that your template is square to the wall. Now that you know exactly where your wall plate will go, it's time to drill. Grab your drill and drill 4 pilot holes through the openings on the wall plate template where your studs are located. Next, you'll grab your wall plate and align the openings with where you drilled your pilot holes. Use your lag bolts to attach the wall plate to the wall. Tighten the bolts with a socket wrench or drill, making sure not to over-tighten the bolts. Now that the wall plate is up, it's time to attach the TV. Depending on the size and weight of your TV, you may need a friend to help you out. Once your TV is hanging on the mount, lock it into place. Refer to your installation manual for specific details for your mount. And that's it! A SANUS Fixed Position TV mount holding your TV securely to the wall. Need to level your TV? No problem. You can easily make adjustments after your TV is on the wall. You can also easily slide your TV left or right to center it on the wall. There you have it! Your TV's on the wall in minutes. SANUS, the #1 TV mount brand in the US. All SANUS mounts are safety tested, UL certified, and come with a warranty. And we back it up with our expert US-based customer care team available 7 days a week. Questions? Just give us a call.